And now, honourable members, a request has been received from the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs for taking up Manipur Goods and Service Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025 before the statutory resolution regarding the adoption of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024 in the state of Manipur. Listed, nothing will go on record. State Minister listed in today's revised list of business. I have acceded to the request of the Minister. Accordingly, a supplementary list of business has been issued and the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025 will now be taken first for the consideration and return. Sri Bangaj Chaudhary ji to move a motion for consideration of the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Bill Second Amendment Bill 2025.
प्रस्ताव रखता हूं कि मणिपुर माल और सेवा कर अधिनियम 2017 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक पर लोकसभा द्वारा पारित रूप में विचार किया जाए।
Motion moved. Now I call upon the members whose names have been received for participation in the discussion. Harshavardhan Sringla. Allocated time is 10 minutes. Number time. I have already called him, no?
Please say it. You don't disturb. You don't disturb. Please say it.
He's not there.
Not there.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise today to wholeheartedly support the Manipur GST Amendment Bill 2025. This bill is not just a routine legal update, but comes at a very crucial time for the state. Manipur today stands at an important turning point